Pratiksha. Yes, there will be a quiz, Manav. I've added a lot of questions. Hello. But yeah, after even like studying after doing some part, covering some part of the explanation part and everything, then we'll do the quiz so that you're able to solve it. Yeah. So we will wait like another minute so that if some students are coming, they can come and we can start with the session. Manav, have you attended my session before? Pratiksha, did I remember her name? You were yesterday, Pratiksha. You are new, Manav. Okay. So I hope you liked the session today. Yes, Pratiksha, you were there yesterday. So today we'll be studying about the respiration, respiratory organs in plants and animals. Yes, studied properly. Okay. Hello, Jobin. Jobin Preet. Hello, how are you? Okay, so guys, welcome to Unacademy, and let's crack it and we'll start with the session now. Okay, Manav, thank you so much, beta. No problem. Thanks a lot. Okay, so guys, you all know about Unacademy, that it's India's largest learning platform. Live sessions with the best educators, live practice questions with the educator, and weekly quizzes and doubt clearing sessions as well. All of these things are available at Unacademy. Okay. So, about the Unacademy kids, you can use my referral code, that is SM17, to get 10% discount on the subscription for the plus classes. As it's a special classes, you know all about it. So you can use this referral code, that is SM17, to enroll and for your those plus classes. Okay, this is my referral code. Okay. Hi, Dynamic Fire. Hi, Ojasvi. How are you? Thank you. Okay, so again more about Unacademy. Hi Tanu, how are you? Hello everyone. How are you guys? Okay, so today we'll be studying. Yeah, you're new here. Just be welcome, beta. Welcome, and I hope you like the session. Hi Ayush. Hi Ishika. Yes. Okay, so let's start, guys. I've just given more about Unacademy, what all things are available at Unacademy. And hi Tanu. Okay. Okay, thanks Manav. Hi Sachin. Hi Tanu. Tanu Singh. Okay. Hello, Ronak. So, about me, my name is Srishti Mangal. I have a teaching experience of more than 5 years, and I like more of interactive classes. And my main motive is about the conceptual learning, right? Experiential learning. I don't believe in rote learning. Rote learning मतलब रट्टा लगाने का फायदा नहीं है. Concept should be very clear, not just for the board exams or for the session kids, but for throughout the life. आप कहीं ना किसी चीज को relate करोगे when you'll grow up, right? I also like to involve real life examples, simplify the terms so that you can easily visualize it, right? So अगर आपसे कभी भी कोई मूवी का डायलॉग पूछे तो आपको हमेशा याद रहता है, ठीक है? हमेशा मूवी का सीन याद रहेगा, वो पर्टिकुलर सीन जो आपको बहुत पसंद है. सेम वे द कॉन्सेप्ट्स कैन ऑल्सो बी डन, ठीक है? आपको कोई पूछे और आपको इंस्टेंटली याद आए कि अच्छा ये था उस वाले कॉन्सेप्ट में. So that's because if you can relate it with the real life examples, if you make it more like a fun kind of a thing, then you can easily understand. Okay, so I hope so you like the session, and I'll focus more on conceptual learning. I've included more of polls, but first we need to study some of the part topic complete karne ke baad, then I'll give the poll again. Okay, yes, thank you Manav. Okay, Ojasvi. Chalo, let's start this. Now, for the life process, you all know there are different types of life process. Nutrition is there, excretion is there, transportation is there, respiration is there. So today we'll be talking more about the respiratory part, okay? Now, for the session flow, in this session, we'll be talking about respiration, that what is respiration about in plants and in animals, okay? Acha, one more thing, what is life process? Before starting respiration, what is life process? Life process, you all know that we are complex organisms, we are multicellular organism made up of many millions and trillions of cells, right? So in our body there are different types of systems which are going on, right? There is a digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, circulatory system, and a skeletal system. The framework is so different type of systems are going on, right? अब हमें इतने सारे सिस्टम की जरूरत क्या है सो दैट वी कैन सर्वाइव ऑन दिस अर्थ प्लैनेट. दैट इज व्हाई आवर बॉडी एंड ये सिस्टम्स कभी रुकते नहीं है. हम सो जाते तब भी ये सिस्टम्स 24/7 काम कर रहे होते हैं. हाय हिमांशु. Exactly, Jobin. For maintaining the body, we are using so many functions that we call as life processes. Correct. Okay. So, hello students who just joined. Hi Anupama. Hi Shashwat. Okay. So now today we'll be talking in depth about the respiration. Hi Abhishek. Okay, so what is respiration? So kids, first of all, you need to understand the term breathing and respiration. So these both are very different from one another. Breathing is a physical process where you just inhale and you exhale. आपने सांस अंदर लिया और आपने सांस छोड़ा. That is your inhalation part, ठीक है? And exhalation जब आपने छोड़ा, that is your process called breathing. That's a physical process. On the other hand, if we talk about respiration, that's a chemical process. When you breathe in, you take in oxygen. In the presence of the oxygen, the food just breaks down and it releases energy. That process is known as respiration. Okay. So breathing, I hope so this is clear that breathing is a physical process where just you inhale and you exhale. Respiration, when you inhale, right, during breathing, जब आप inhale करते हो, जब oxygen अंदर जाता है, वो food का breakdown करता है and energy release करता है, that is known as respiration. Hello, I hope you're doing great, Abhishek. Hi Priya. Breathing change of gases and respiration is breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen, to be specific, Jobin, in the presence of oxygen, beta, and other functions. Okay, वैसे ठीक था. Okay, so now respiration. Yeah, so now respiration, the process of releasing energy from the food in the presence of oxygen is known as respiration. Now the end products or the waste products of respiration are carbon dioxide and water. Actually, carbon dioxide and water are the end products. वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट अगर आप मानोगे तो सिर्फ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आता है. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि वाटर कैन स्टिल बी यूटिलाइज्ड इन द बॉडी, इट्स नॉट हार्मफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी, बट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इट हैज टू कम आउट ऑफ द बॉडी. सो द एंड प्रोडक्ट्स आर योर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड द वाटर. अभिषेक, जस्ट मैंने अभी स्टार्ट किया है और यही वाला टॉपिक समझा रही हूँ अभी. I've just started. Dynamic fire, hello. Hi Misty. Hello, Unacademy. So I've just started with this and the process of release of energy and in the presence of oxygen by the food, that is respiration. जो भी नहीं रहती है, प्रॉपर सिस्टमैटिक है, आपको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर आएगी आपकी बॉडी से. Yes, Unacademy, it's a good evening. Yes, नीलू. एंड प्रोडक्ट आप ज्यादा अच्छे से स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हो. Okay, now we'll move forward. What is breathing? The process of inhalation and exhalation. What is respiration? Breakdown of food to release energy in the presence of oxygen is called your respiration. All clear till here, kids? Everything fine? Priya, I'll just explain. Priya, breathing means inhalation and exhalation. Inhale किया और exhale किया, physical process. सांस अंदर लिया, सांस बाहर निकाली. Respiration, so when you breathe in, you take in oxygen, right? So it will break down the food to release energy. That process is known as respiration. Okay, Priya, is it clear, beta? Is it fine? Can I move forward? Okay, Priya, great. Okay, great guys. चलो आगे चलते हैं. Now, respiration. The energy released during respiration is to make ATP. ठीक है, ATP बनता है ना, तो energy currency of the cell from the ADP molecule. So what is ATP? It is adenosine triphosphate. Tri. Adenosine diphosphate मतलब 2. So D is di. ठीक है. तो जब ये डाइफॉस्फेट एक फॉस्फेट के साथ मिलता है और एनर्जी के साथ मिलता है तो वो क्या बनता है? ATP, which is high on energy. All clear? Crystal clear? ठीक है. So this is known as your respiration. Okay. So there are two types of respiration, बच्चे. There is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, if we talk about, it's in the presence of oxygen. The end products are your carbon dioxide and water. It releases energy, like more energy, that is 38 ATP. इतनी ज़्यादा energy release करता है. It takes place in mitochondria and example are humans and bird. इन सब में aerobic respiration, हम aerobic respiration करते हैं. Diphosphate मतलब दो. Di means 2. Yes, Pratiksha. Okay, so in the presence of oxygen, right, the end products are carbon dioxide and water. It releases more energy, that is 38 ATP, and it takes place in mitochondria. Priya, no problem. एक बार recording check कर लेना. This is the only solution, right? Powerhouse of the cell, exactly, dynamic fire. They are powerhouse of the cell because it releases energy. Chromoplast तो plastids पे पहुंच गए हो. Jobin, sorry, I'm really sorry. Jobin, it's a kind of a plastid. बेटा, good evening, Ashish. Chloroplast, again, chloroplast तो आपका green color देता है. उसके में chlorophyll present होता है. That's also a kind of plastid. Okay. Now about anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen. जिन organisms को ऑक्सीजन नहीं चाहिए टू सर्वाइव. द एंड प्रोडक्ट्स आर इथेनॉल, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड एनर्जी. अब इसमें एनर्जी देखो बहुत कम रिलीज होती है, जस्ट 2 ATP, वहां पे 38 ATP था. ठीक है. एंड इट टेक्स प्लेस इन साइटोप्लाज्म. एग्जांपल यीस्ट. और यस, इट वाज साइटोप्लाज्म. ओके, हाँ, वो तुम कंफ्यूज हो गए होगे, कोई नहीं. सो दिस इज अबाउट द एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. सो if I talk about anaerobic respiration in humans, अब हम humans के अंदर भी हम normally aerobic करते हैं. ठीक है. Hello Anshu. Hi बेटा. So anaerobic respiration in humans when the oxygen is lacking. ठीक है. Lack of oxygen में anaerobically हमारे muscles breathe करते हैं. अगर मैं बोलूँ आप एकदम से उठो और कम से कम 10 मिनट्स के लिए जस्ट रनिंग फास्ट, राइट, सो इट्स यूटिलाइजिंग मोर ऑफ एनर्जी. आपको बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए और आपकी बॉडी जब नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रही है उस टाइम पे, सो योर मसल्स विल ब्रीथ एनारोबिकली, राइट. इट टेक्स प्लेस इन द मसल्स ड्यूरिंग विगरस एक्सरसाइज. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू जिम, ठीक है, आप एकदम से डंबल्स उठा के बहुत ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो तो थोड़े टाइम बाद क्या फील होगा? यू फील पेन इन योर पर्टिकुलर पार्ट. जो आपने, अगर आपने हाथ की एक्सरसाइज करी तो वहां पे, अगर लेग्स की करी तो वहां पे. सो द एंड प्रोडक्ट इज लैक्टिक एसिड एंड एनर्जी. तो एनर्जी तो आपको मिल जाता है, बट फॉर्मेशन क्या हो जाता है? लैक्टिक एसिड का. जबकि आपका फॉर्मेशन होना चाहिए था अबाउट योर CO2 and water, और हुआ क्या? lactic acid. So because of that accumulation of lactic acid in our muscles, you feel cramps. आपको pain होता है उस time पे, and it can be treated by the hot water bath or massage. Okay, I missed something. Cramp, yes, Shashwat. Suicidal bags, dynamic, वो तो lysosomes है ना. आप तो 9th class में पहुंच गए. Okay, you cannot understand. Can you please explain in? Okay, so you want me to explain in English, Hindi and English both? Okay, I was using both the language. So I was telling you that that anaerobic respiration, it occurs at the time when the oxygen is lacking in our body. So at that time, muscles they respire. So when they respire, the end products are your lactic acid and energy. Okay, so accumulation of the lactic acid in the muscle, it causes some pain, it causes some cramps. and that cramps is due to the deposition of the lactic acid in the muscle, and it can be treated by the hot water bath or massage. It's here, it is written. Okay. Now is it clear, kids? Still here? Everything is fine? हाँ बेटा आप टाइप कर दो, मैं देख लूंगी डाउट आपके. क्लियर ना? ग्रेट. Crystal clear, Ayush. Okay. Yes, Archit, exactly. Hot water bath, it causes the blood to circulate properly. फिर वो break down होता है वापस से. Good. Now, again, ये तो आपके NCERT का डायग्राम है. So this is respiration, which यहाँ पे absence of oxygen में आपका ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy बनेगा. Lack of oxygen में lactic acid plus energy बनेगा. Presence of oxygen में carbon dioxide, water plus energy बनेगा. All clear? Good evening, Anisha. Superb. Great, Manav. That's nice. Okay, so we'll move forward. Now, the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water, and energy. It takes place in dash. I'll just give you this poll. Go for it, kids. And please don't type in the chat box the answers. Good evening, Ankit. Anisha, welcome. I hope you like the session. हाँ बेटा एक second. Let the poll complete. I'll just see your doubt. Thank you, Archit. Correct, but it's late. Okay. Let the poll update right now. Good evening, Arsh. Done, Anshu? Okay, I'll share it with you now. Pratiksha is first, second is Tanu, and third is Archit. Superb, nice. So, and others can also see now. So I'll close. The correct answer is it takes place in mitochondria. Okay. Now, what was you asking? How is oxygen and carbon dioxide transport in human beings? Oxygen and carbon dioxide जो है, it is actually transport by the circulatory system. ठीक है? तो हमारे जो blood vessels होते हैं, उसके अंदर oxygenated and deoxygenated blood होता है, which carries the like arteries will carry your oxygenated blood and the veins will carry your deoxygenated blood, and in the capillaries exchange of material will take place. अपने काम से काम रख. Okay? Understood, beta? Here you can see Archit. Here is the diagram. Yes, it is. Okay. ग्लूकोज जो है वो आपके पायरुवेट में कन्वर्ट होता है. नीलू ये देखो आप डायग्राम में देख सकते हो. अब डाउट क्लियर है जिसने पूछा था? अंकित कौन सी चीज को एक्सप्लेन करूं हिंदी में बेटा? यस मैम क्लियर. ओके अंकित प्लीज टेल मी क्या कौन से पार्ट को, इस ये क्वेश्चन को, इस पोल को? पायरुवेट. ग्लूकोज जो है वो ब्रेक डाउन होगा ना, तो ग्लूकोज है 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स. ये देखो इट इज 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स. पायरुवेट 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स होता है प्लस एनर्जी रिलीज हो जाती है, तो उसमें ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है. अपने काम से काम रख. Yeah, what criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive? Movement. So movement is the basic one, is the movement. Agar if a thing is moving, that means it's alive. Okay. Acha, just a second. Anisha, abhi I've started with life process. I'm started with the respiration part. अभी start किया है मैंने बस. Respiration part ही, और कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है इससे पहले. Only movements. Yes, basic is the movement. उसके बाद characteristics होते हैं, nutrition होता है, growth होता है, reproduction होता है, ये सब digestion होता है, ये सब होते हैं. How yeast obtain energy? Anaerobically. Anaerobically वो लोग breathe करते हैं without the presence of oxygen. अंकित Mayank, I am taking plus classes. If you're asking about, I take plus classes in the morning. That is 12 to 1. Okay, clear? Chalo, we'll move forward then. Now this is clear. So give one similarity between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Kya? Breakfast, ma'am, it is a part of a life. Dynamic 5. Yeah, we need nutrition. तुम breakfast लो, lunch लो, dinner लो, एक ही बात है. Okay, it releases energy, correct? Okay, Hina? Okay. It releases energy. Srishti. Carbon dioxide also, okay. Okay, so the correct answer is that in the both one similarity I was asking about in both the respiration energy is released. End products change hote but energy release hoti hai. Okay, now about respiration in plants, if we talked about the respiration plants, it differs in three aspects. First one, all the parts of the plant, they respires individually. मतलब हर part अपना अलग अलग respiration होता है उनका, ठीक है? जैसे कि अगर हम human beings की बात करें, ऐसा तो नहीं हमारे हाथ अलग से respire करते हैं, हमारे पैर अलग से करते हैं, हमारा मुंह अलग से करते हैं, नहीं. We just inhale at once and then it gets transported inside our body. But in plants, every part they respire differently. हर part अपना अलग अलग respiration करता है, ठीक है? So, secondly, during respiration, there is a little transport of gases from one part to another. In animals, the transport is over long distances because we are a huge organism ना, लंबे भी तो हैं इतने ज़्यादा, तो वो different areas तक transport होता है and it takes it's a kind of a long distance, right? Third one, respiration in plants, it occurs at slow rate as compared to the animals. Animals में जल्दी ज़्यादा fast rate होता है. Okay, all clear बेटा? Anisha, respiration means when you inhale oxygen and breakdown of food will take place to release energy. Shashi, अभी मैंने आपको इतना ही पढ़ाया about the respiration and there are two types, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic is the one जो presence of oxygen, anaerobic is the one absence of oxygen. Each part respires individually. Yes, correct, Archit. What is diffusion? Ankit, diffusion is a process जहाँ आपके जो gases है, they move from higher concentration to lower concentration through the cell membrane. Okay, all clear? चलो. अब हम plants की बात करेंगे तो roots, जो root है, they absorb all the air and reaches to all the cells of the plant. Root hair के through होता है. Stem, if it's a green in color stem, then it's stomata. If it's woody, bark में convert हो चुका है, then it's lenticels. Okay, thank you. Tiny pores are present on the lower side of the leaf, that is stomata. Difference between Mayank osmosis and diffusion, same. The law is the same, but if diffusion, if only for the gases, osmosis, the movement of water. Thank you, Hina. Okay, now one of the following organisms which live without oxygen. What do you think? I'll give you the poll. Without oxygen. Thank you, Ayush. Lenticels, Unacademy, it's the woody stem जो bark में convert होगी ना, उनके पास lenticels होते हैं क्योंकि वो dead हो चुके हैं अब to respire. Dynamic fire, chloroplasts are present on most of the leaves. जो व्हाइट कलर के होते हैं ना, उनमें नहीं होता है. कलरफुल जो होते हैं जैसे मरून, पर्पल, उनके अंदर भी प्रेजेंट होता है, बट द मास इज वेरी लेस कंपेरेटिवली. दैट इज व्हाई यू कैन नॉट सी क्लोरोफिल. यस अर्चित, करेक्ट. अंशु क्यों रॉन्ग हो गया? ये लो चेक करो. सो फर्स्ट इज प्रतीक्षा, सेकेंड इज तन्नू एंड थर्ड इज रौनक. जॉबिन, अगर आप बात करते हो स्टोमेटा की, अगर ग्रीन कलर का स्टेम पे, ग्रीन है अभी तो बहुत छोटा है ना, तो सैपलिंग्स में ग्रीन कलर का होता है, देन स्टोमेटा आर प्रेजेंट, द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस कैन टेक प्लेस थ्रू दिस. इफ इट्स कन्वर्टेड टू बार्क, वुडी स्टेम हो चुके, बिल्कुल ट्री बन चुके, देन लेंटिसल्स विल टेक प्लेस. Okay, now the correct answer for this was yeast. Now, which of the following is known as the energy currency of the cell? Go for it. Okay, Jobit. Energy currency of the cell. Oh, very nice. Good result. Mistake क्यों हो गया? Nicely done. Which of the following is the energy currency of the cell? ATP is your C part, DTP is your A part. Correct हो गया? Okay, I'll share it with you. Okay. अर्चित क्या बताऊँ प्रीवियस? अच्छा प्रीवियस का मिस्टेक हो गया. ठीक है. Can you see my previous? You want me to show the previous slide, Anshu? Okay, you're on 15th from 18th. Superb, Veena. So the correct answer for it is ATP. So ATP is the energy currency cell. ठीक है, जोबन. Okay. Okay, अब मैं बोल रही हूँ. The photosynthesis in plant is not taking place during the daytime if it is releasing water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, all of the above. Go for it. Where the plant is defined. Anshu, अभी दिखाती हूँ. Easy. Correct? हाँ अर्चित, I try to in case कुछ मिस भी हो जाता है कभी कभार. Thank you. I try to see all the messages. Okay, so first is Shashwat, second is Pratiksha, third is Tanu. Okay. The correct answer is your carbon dioxide, right? So carbon dioxide, ATP, Ankit, is triphosphate, ADP is diphosphate too. Okay, chalo, we'll move forward. The breathing and respiration in woody stems of a plant, it takes place through root hair, closed stomata, lenticels, or open stomata in woody stems. Go for it. Welcome, Jobin. Correct. Tanu, done. Okay, so I can see that students still have some issue with this question. Whenever energy is required, ADP breaks to form ATP. ATP join with phosphate to form ATP. Archit? So the first one is your Shashwat, second is Pratiksha, and third is Tanu. Bache, listen, the woody stems, remember, see the slide again. I'll just show it to you. I've written it properly. Here. Green stem is stomata, woody stem is lenticels. तो lenticels होते हैं ना, वो कर पाते हैं अपना respiration properly. Yes, Tanu, you're on the leaderboard. Manav, without doubt. Thank you so much, Anshu. Okay. So this was the one. Okay, now if we talk about respiration in animals, thanks Priya. If we talk about respiration in animals, so amoeba की अगर बात करें तो वो होता है diffusion के through. If we talk about your earthworm, वो होता है skin के through it respires. If we talk about aquatic animals, वो होता है gills के through. They respire through gills, right? क्योंकि उनमें जो oxygen होती है वो water में dissolve form में होती है. Insects like your grasshopper, cockroach, ये हो गए spiracles. There are tiny holes called spiracles on the body, and उसके बाद air tubes present होती है, trachea जिसके through वो flow करता है. Land animals like us, we breathe through lungs, right? तो हम उसके थ्रू रेस्पायर करते हैं. Dynamic fire, I'm from Delhi. Okay. Now, okay, tell me this one. The rate of breathing in aquatic animal is dash than the terrestrial animal. Is it slow or is it fast? Okay, higher, fast, slow, fast. I want everyone to reply. It's nice to be interactive class. Faster, okay. Most of you are telling me it's fast. Okay. Faster. So the correct answer is that it is faster. Why? Because it's already in dissolved form. तो जल्दी जल्दी उनको लेना पड़ता है. Breathing rate उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. अच्छा, breathing rate मतलब 1 inhale and 1 exhale. ठीक है. Breathing rate अगर आपको कभी calculate करना हो अपना भी, so it's inhalation and then exhalation. That's 1 breathing rate. तुम्हें नहीं पता था निशा, कोई नहीं. You now know it. Okay, Shuja. Good evening, beta. I hope you like the session. All clear? Everything is good, kids, till now? Can we move forward? Superb. Since oxygen in the water is in trace amount, yes. Okay. नहीं पढ़ा तो अब क्लियर हो जाएगा. वैसे भी इसके बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स हैं, but I've took only this topic, respiration. Yesterday I taught animal and nutrition, kids. So if you guys want to, you can watch the recording once. तो आपको वो भी समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Recording for the animal nutrition animals. So you can watch that. Okay. In human, who carries oxygen? In humans, be specific with the word. It's single word. Hello, Vikas. Welcome. Okay, hemoglobin, good. Hina, be specific, Mishti. Good, Ankit. Tanu, nice. ना आर्टरीज नहीं कह रही मैं, ब्लड वेसल्स की बात नहीं कर रही अभी मैं. हीमोग्लोबिन, जोबिन स्पेसिफिक हो. Yes, correct. It's actually hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a carrier of oxygen, right? So be specific in human who carries oxygen, तो hemoglobin. हाँ, अगर blood vessels की बात करेंगे तो oxygenated होगा तो arteries होगा. Hello Aditi, hemoglobin. Okay. Now we'll move forward with the poll. Which of the following does not use trachea as a respiratory organ? Go for it. Yes, highly affinity for carrying. Done? Okay, let's see कितनों को समझ में आता है. ओके, ग्रास हॉपर किसी ने नहीं दिया तो वो समझ में आ गया कि उनके थ्रू स्पाइरिकल्स के थ्रू होता है. तो ए पार्ट तो हो गया गलत, राइट? अब देखते हैं. लेट दिया आंसर, बट ठीक दिया ना मानव, वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Okay, I'll share with you guys. Oh, Tanu is first now. Second is Shashwat. Third is Jobin. Wow, nice. Great. So the correct answer is your prawn. अच्छा, prawn. Why? तो prawn है अगर correct answer, you know guys. तो you कौन सा respiratory organ use करता है ये बताओ. विकास अभी Telegram link मेरे पास है नहीं. I'll share it with you in another class. Otherwise, if you are subscribed with the plus, I'm taking the classes there. You can just come and join. Gills. Correct. So prawn, it uses gills. Okay. Now, which of the following increases in muscle cells when they are lacking oxygen? Go for it. Oh, good number of percentage. Nice. Correct, Shashwat. Hi, Mohan. No problem. Late answer, but if it's correct, then it's fine, na? वो भी तो important है. Okay. Same. First, second, third are the same one. So what is it lacking? It is lacking lactic acid. अगर lack of oxygen होता है तो sorry, तो क्या present होता है, क्या formation होता है? That is lactic acid. Okay. Okay. Hello, Carrie Minati. मैम आपके लिए कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर क्लास के लिए. विकास, मुझे समझ नहीं आया आपने क्या लिखा बेटा. हाय आदित्य. विकास एक बार कनेक्ट नंबर क्लास के लिए. आई गेस यू कैन सर्च विद सृष्टि मंगल के नाम से. आई गेस आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, आई गिव मानव टाइम देती हूँ. यस सूजा, आई नो दैट, आई नो. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर ना विकास, अभी एक बार पहले क्लासेस में आओ, देन विल शेयर द, आई विल शेयर द टेलीग्राम लिंक एज वेल. अभी है नहीं मेरे पास, वरना आई वुड हैव. ओके. During marathon, we get painful contractions of leg muscles due to the accumulation of what? Okay, Vikas, go for it. Good. I would request all the students not to answer in the chat box, right? It's better. Competitive वाली feel चली जाएगी फिर. It's better you just press the poll. हाँ, no problem, but आगे के लिए. Okay, you can see the result. So the correct answer, अरे accumulation, अंशु लैक्टिक एसिड का ही तो होता है. मैराथन में अगर आप भागोगे, अगर लेग मसल्स में एक्यूमुलेशन किस चीज का होगा? अगर आपको पेनफुल क्रैम्प्स हो रहे हैं तो दैट मीन्स कि आपका लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस हुआ है. ओके, ऑल क्लियर किड्स, एवरीथिंग फाइन, सुपर. ओके, क्लियर अंशु. चलो नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. ओके, ये तो रिपीटेड हो गया, सॉरी. अच्छा किड्स, here is the pictures as well, so you can use this picture. Lenticels, this is how it looks. Okay, जो हमने अभी बात करी ना lenticels की, this is how it looks. woody stem पे. Okay, this is how root hair, ये root hairs हैं. It, see, this is the root, then ये छोटे छोटे root hairs दिख रहे हैं, and there are soil particles ground level, so you can understand more ये कैसे होता है. This is root hair, and this is stomata. So you all know about stomata, but still, this is stomata. गार्ड सेल्स जो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ओपनिंग श्रिंक होता है तो बंद हो जाता है स्ट्रोमा, ओपन होता है तो स्वेल हो जाता है, जब तो एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस एंड ट्रांसपिरेशन प्रोसेस कैन टेक प्लेस. अंकित, Vikas, I start my class at 12 in the noon. Stomata shrink, yes. Small pores on small pores, tiny pores, which are present on the lower side. Yes, we do have. So now, which of the following is the source of a respiration? Go for it, kids. ग्लूकोज जब ब्रेक डाउन होगा साइटोप्लाज्म में तो पाइरुवेट बनता है बेटा. You can, I'm sharing it. Okay, easy. Chal. Next, the correct answer is glucose, right? Now this one of the following organism can, acha, we have done this, right? Can live without oxygen. I think we have done this one. Yes, we have done this. Okay, I need to show you this thing now. See, the spiracles. This is how it looks on the body of a cockroach. This is the spiracle. Okay. Earthworm, exchange of जो gases होती है ना from the skin, moist skin. This is how it looks. फ्रॉग एक्चुअली जो है वाटर के अंदर भी रहता है एंड लैंड एनिमल भी है. सो इट कंटेन्स लंग्स एज वेल एज योर स्लाइमी स्किन. मैगी थे सच्ची, उससे बहुत भयंकर है. ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स अबाउट योर फ्रॉग. दिस इज गिल्स. यू ऑल नो अबाउट द गिल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. Okay, now about human respiratory system. Okay, what is pyruvate? देवोम, जब हमारा ग्लूकोज 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स है तो pyruvate is 3 कार्बन. Aman, you're new on this app. Welcome to Unacademy. पढ़ोगे ना शाश्वत तो और भूल जा जाएंगे. अभी अंकित, ask your doubt and then. Okay, so chalo, we'll start with human respiratory system. So this is a picture of a human respiratory system, and this is all things which we are included. Beta, if you have doubt, you can just type your doubt. I'll just see the doubts. Aap likh do. I hope so I don't miss it. Now, about human respiratory system. The process by which energy is released from our food in our body, that process is called respiration. Everyone is aware about it, right? The function of respiratory system is to breathe in oxygen for respiration and breathe out for the carbon dioxide which is produced by the respiration. Inhale करते time oxygen, exhale करते time आपका हो गया carbon dioxide, right? The gases exchanged between blood and air are oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Do you know, I see your video on YouTube and download Unacademy. वो I guess आपको कुछ थोड़ा सा वो हुआ है. I have not added any YouTube video भी बेटा. Because Ankit, fish cannot survive because जो oxygen लेते हैं वो they don't have lungs ना बेटा, they have gills, right? तो dissolved form में ही ले पाते. They don't have lungs to survive on the land. They are not land animals. Okay, so we can live without water and food for many days, but we cannot live without air for more than few minutes, right? Air is necessary for breathing. तो बहुत time के लिए तो food and उसके बिना रह सकते हैं, but air के बिना नहीं रह सकते. The taking in air rich in oxygen into the body during breathing is inhalation, and expelling out your carbon dioxide is your exhalation. A breathe means one inhalation and one exhalation. ये भी मैंने आपको बताया. So about the mechanism of breathing. In short, when you inhale, your diaphragm, जो ये dome-like structure present होता है, diaphragm, right? This goes downwards and your ribs will move outwards. ठीक है? Downwards and outwards. So when you exhale, तो diaphragm will come upwards and your ribs will come inwards. तो क्या होगा जब वो breathe in करते हो ना, तो सब कुछ बाहर की तरफ और नीचे की तरफ जाता है. It creates a space, proper space for the lungs. ठीक है, because it's present in the chest cavity. When you exhale, तो वो बिल्कुल कम हो जाता है. Deworm cellular respiration is a normal respiration, breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen to release energy. Ronak, what should I repeat? Ardra, yes, expansion and contraction, very well. All clear, kids? Should I move forward? Mayank, ब्रीद इन, जब आपने इन किया तो डायफ्राम, जो ये डायफ्राम है ना, देख रहे हो, ये डाउनवर्ड्स जाएगा और जो आपकी रिब्स है ये आउटवर्ड्स जाएंगी, ठीक है, टू क्रिएट अ स्पेस फॉर द लंग्स टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपर्ली. व्हेन यू एक्सेल तो ये इनवर्ड्स आती है रिब्स और डायफ्राम विल कम अपवर्ड्स. When we exhale a very very little amount, then also yes, it depends कि बहुत कम amount होगा, but yes it does. किसने पूछा था? अंकित, नहीं सॉरी, हर्ष ने. yes, हर्ष it does. So again the explanation: the muscles between ribs contracts, causing the rib cage to move upward and outward. The diaphragm contracts and moves downwards. So here the muscle between the ribs relax, causing the rib cage to move downwards and inwards. The diaphragm relax and moves upwards. About human respiratory system, it moves Yogeshwari, जब आप exhale करोगे तो upwards आएगा. My name is Srishti Mangal. My name is Srishti. Now human respiratory system, उसमें nose आते हैं, nasal passage है, trachea है, lungs है, bronchi and diaphragm है, ठीक है. These are all the main part of the human respiratory system. The air for respiration is drawn into our body through the nostrils, जो fine hairs present होते हैं, right? जो fine hair है उसके through. Then the air goes to the nasal passage where it gets sticks. In case some of any of the germs which is still entering inside the body, वो वहाँ पे जाके stick हो जाता है. So that the air आगे पास होगी ट्रैकिया के अंदर, वो बिल्कुल clean air हो. Okay, that is why. So the air from respiration is drawn into our body through nostrils, जहाँ पे nostril fine hairs which prevent the entry of germs and dust inside the body. Still if it enters तो nasal passage जाके वो stick हो जाता है. They also go देवो, वो और भी gases जो होती है वो भी जाती हैं, but सब बाहर आ जाता है फिर. Thank you, dynamic fire. Okay. Now, the nasal passage is lined with fine hair. When air passes through the nasal passage, the dust particles are trapped and clean air goes into the lungs. As I told you, वहाँ पे जाके stick हो जाएगा. The part of throat between your mouth and the windpipe, it is called pharynx, right? From the nasal passage, air enters into the pharynx and then goes to the windpipe. Windpipe, another name for windpipe, kids? प्रॉन आंसर था अनीशा उसका, क्योंकि प्रॉन उसका आंसर था क्योंकि गिल्स यूज करते हैं वो ना. हाँ, ईसोफेगस नहीं है. यस नीलू, करेक्ट. ट्रैकिया. विंड पाइप का पूछ रही हूँ. Esophagus is for food pipe. Windpipe is बच्चे trachea. Yes, trachea, Manav, correct. Food pipe होती है वो. So the air coming from the nostrils, during breathing it passes through the trachea. Right? Trachea does not collapse even if there is no air present, because it's supported by the rings of soft bone called cartilage. ये देखो, this can move, right? This can be, it's movable. Why? Because of the soft bone. This is movable, है ना? So these are all cartilages. So this is how it looks. ये esophagus है, ये pink वाली, यहाँ पे बीच में trachea. It's supported by rings of cartilage, which is always C-shaped. Why is it in C-shaped? C-shape में क्यों होता है बच्चे? So that it does not collapse. वो तो हुआ कि कार्टिलेज होता है. सी शेप में इसलिए होता है so that the movement of air is proper movement of air हो तभी. Okay, so the upper end of trachea, it has a voice box. Voice box is also known as larynx. The trachea, it runs down the neck and divided into two parts, that is bronchi. Bronchi are further divided into bronchioles, okay? And they are connected to the lungs, and the lungs, it lies in the chest cavity. अंशु, क्वेश्चन इज मैम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन ही क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं? बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपके कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट बाहर निकलना चाहिए, एंड ऑक्सीजन जो है वो आपके हर बॉडी पार्ट को इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड तभी होगा बच्चे. ऑल क्लियर ना? एवरीथिंग क्लियर टिल हियर? शुड आई मूव फॉरवर्ड? सुपर्ब. नो अंकित. Okay. Now, it is separated by the abdominal cavity called muscular partition. जो dome-like structure होता है उसको हम diaphragm बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे this is your diaphragm. ठीक है? This is how it looks. Lungs are covered by two thin membrane called pleura, and it is protected by the rib cage. Abdominal cavity. See, this is head. यहाँ से stomach तक is your thorax, और उसके stomach के नीचे जितना lower portion that is abdomen. प्रीवियस स्लाइड दिखाऊं जो बेटा जोबन? Clear till here? Should I move forward? Okay. Now, how many pairs of ribs are there? Go for it now. Devam, I guess you can download the PDF, right? रिब्स कितने पेयर की होती है? रिब केज मैम, रिब केज डायनामिक, अभी दिखाती हूँ एक सेकेंड, जो लंग्स को प्रोटेक्ट करती है ना. Okay, let the poll update. So I'll share it with you. Pratiksha is on third now. Jobin is on second. Tanu is first. Good. Correct answer is here. There are 12 pairs of ribs. अच्छा, वो बच्चा आप जो rib cage पूछ रहे थे ना, ये rib cage protect करती है जो. Okay, so the 12 is the correct answer. Okay, the lungs are covered by a membrane called. Go for it. Hello, Shashi. Good. Nice percentage now. Jobin, yes, most welcome, beta. You can attend tomorrow's class. Okay, so the Tanu first, Jobin second, third Pratiksha. Okay, तो कौन सी लेयर होती है? Pleura. Why it's pleura? Because epithelial तो बेटा आपकी स्किन की प्रोटेक्शन लेयर होती है, जो आपने टिश्यूज चैप्टर में पढ़ा होगा. Septum is the division. None of above हो ही नहीं सकता था. Okay, so what are floating ribs? Do you know what are floating ribs? किसी ने सुना है कभी? फ्लोटिंग रिब्स सुना? नहीं सुना? सुना है शशि? बताओ. नो नो, मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव नॉट हर्ड. हवा में उड़ते हैं. एग्जैक्टली तनु, एग्जैक्टली. फ्लोटिंग रिब्स आपके 12 पेयर्स होते हैं, राइट, ऑफ रिब्स. उसमें से जो 2 रिब्स होते हैं ना, वो कनेक्टेड नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है? आपके जो रिब केज है वो सामने ब्रेस्ट बोन और पीछे बैक बोन है, जिससे कनेक्टेड होंगे. पूरा का पूरा रिब केज ऐसे कनेक्टेड होता है. बट लास्ट के जो 2 पेयर होते हैं वो बैक बोन से तो कनेक्टेड होते हैं, बट वो फ्रंट से कनेक्टेड नहीं होते हैं. व्हाई? सो दैट द लंग्स कैन मूव इजीली जब व्हेन यू इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. दैट इज व्हाई द 2 ribs which are not connected in front with the breastbone, they are known as floating ribs. Okay. जो बन अब समझ में आ गया. अदिति आ गया. जिन्होंने नो किया था, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? ऑल क्लियर? थैंक यू शशि. तनु, बैक पे बैकबोन से एंड इन फ्रंट फ्रॉम द ब्रेस्ट बोन. ओके. नाउ ईच ब्रोंकाई जो हमने बताया था उसको ब्रोंकस भी बोलते हैं सिंगुलर में. वो स्मॉल ट्यूब्स ब्रोंक्यूल से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, एंड ब्रोंक्यूल्स आगे जाके सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, नोन एज alveoli, where exchange of gases takes place. So this is how alveoli look. Kids, the wall of alveoli is thin and surrounded by the blood capillaries. Now, exchange of gases takes place in alveoli. There are millions of alveoli present in the lung, and it provides large surface area for the exchange of gases. But if all the alveoli of two human lungs are unfolded, तो उसका साइज होगा अबाउट 80 स्क्वायर मीटर, विच इज नियरली द साइज ऑफ अ टेनिस कोर्ट. इतना इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा अगर alveoli को हमने अनफोल्ड करना शुरू किया तो. या एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. जोबन विलाय तो आपका स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में प्रेजेंट होता है ना. It increases surface area for rapid absorption of food. हीना, आप बताओ आपको कौन सा समझ में नहीं आया पार्ट. आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन. एल्विलाई बेटा ब्रोंकाई है दो, वो फिर आगे ब्रोंक्यूल्स में होता है, उसके बाद सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होते हैं नोन एज एल्विलाई. नीलू, इट्स प्रेजेंट इन द लंग्स बेटा. हीना, प्रीवियस स्लाइड. ये लो, ये देखो, ये ब्रोंकाई आया, ये दिस वन, ठीक है. फिर आगे वो कन्वर्ट हुआ छोटे छोटे में ब्रोंक्यूल्स में, फिर एल्विलाई में. Where they are connected, who in the lungs itself alveoli में था राग, है ना. Yes, I am here because of the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Pratiksha, tomorrow I'll be taking the plus session if you are enrolled with the plus. So I'll be taking the plus classes tomorrow. No. अच्छा, ये रहा. चलो, क्वेश्चन. Breathing rate per minute. Kids, go for it. Yes, the session is going to end now. Alveoli में बस exchange of gases होती है. It's connected with the blood capillaries. वहाँ पे exchange of material होता है. मेहता रक्षित राज. Okay. Okay, so here is the leaderboard. First Tanu, second Jobin, and third Pratiksha. Shashi, which question should I send it to you, beta? So correct answer is for this is 18. Breathing rate per minute is 18. आप कभी भी inhale और exhale करके try करना per minute. No, Harsh, I take plus classes in the morning 12 o'clock. Great, Anish. Superb. Chalo, kids, because as the session is going to end, we'll just summarize first of all. Here, the respiration means releasing of energy in the presence of oxygen, right? There are two types of aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic is the one which takes place in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic is the one which takes place in absence of oxygen. In plants, different parts respire differently. But if we talk about animals, so we just inhale, it goes down to your trachea, then to your bronchi, then bronchioles and alveoli, where exchange of gases will take place. Okay, so all clear, kids? Everything fine? Great. So, Beche, you can just go and enroll yourself for the plus classes, and you can use my referral code as well to get 10% discount. That is SM17. Yes. Yes, Mehta, exactly. You too. Bye, kids. Bye. Yes, we'll see you again. Good night. Transportation, अभी मैंने वो नहीं करवाया. अभी I just took this respiration part, beta. Okay, bye. Good night. Take care.